Publishing a 10 to 12,000 word book or longer, you're able to sell it for a lot more on CreateSpace on the paperback form. By doing this, you're able to increase your royalties substantially. It does cost a little bit more, almost pretty much double the price, I guess, from going from a 5,000 to a 10 or 12,000 word book in terms of getting it outsourced and getting it written. But you make so much more on the back end, and that's key. 5,000 word books, like I said, they worked really well back in the day when ebooks were kind of a new thing and lots of people were buying them, and there weren't as many of us publishers who are using it as a platform to make money. We hadn't destroyed the market yet, because that's what marketers do, right? So it worked a lot better then. Trying to find some success publishing a 5,000 word book, it's just not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Now, what about Kindle short reads? Yes, if you're targeting a specific niche, kids books or short stories or something specific where your audience is calling for a shorter read, then yes, that works. But that's a very small percentage of the market. The majority of you are publishing nonfiction, how-to, or whatever books. You're going to want something a little bit longer, right? Because that's what your readers are going to demand when they're buying the paperback. If they buy a paperback version of your book for $16 and they get this little pamphlet that flips around like the one I just showed you, what are they going to do? They're not going to be happy with it. So that's the first impression they're getting. So the information, it's probably going to be subpar. But three, that's going to lead to negative reviews. And that's where your business starts falling off, when you're not getting any proper organic 5-star reviews because people aren't happy with your books. So publish minimum, I'd say bare minimum 8 to 10,000. Try 10 to 12,000. You can always add more content as the book starts making money. That's one of the strategies that I teach my students. And I think I only have one book that's like 21,000 words. And but you don't have to create these massive things like a lot of fiction publishers do. It's a completely different market. But for nonfiction, I'd say anywhere between 10 to 20,000 words. It's a gold mine. It doesn't cost you a ton to get it going, and you can charge a decent amount of money to make sure you're making some heavy royalties on them as well.